there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you that my Bitesize Piano book course is now live and available to purchase on Amazon, globally, around the world. I've left the UK and the US link down below, but if you just type into Amazon the Bitesize Piano course, and then it should come right up and you can purchase in whatever country or currency you are in. So this is basically my online video course, which I've also linked down below, and I've just really collected all the PDF material, compiled it into a book, added a lot of extra things, changed some bits, tweaked it, added more explanations. This is my proof copy. It won't have this band across. This just says not for resale. This was just for me to order so I could check that everything was kind of looking okay. So when you get yours, it won't have this across the front or the back cover. Let me show you inside a little bit. So it is black and white. This exact book, it's available as an ebook, which is actually available on my website. So that's been available for quite some time now. So I've left that down below, but that one is in full colour. It's just the odd bit of like red and orange here and there just to emphasise the few points. But it's quite a bit cheaper to make the inside contents of the physical book just black and white. So let me know if you do want it available in colour. I could make a colour version available as well. The price would just be a little bit more. So there are 72 pages. I'm going to be jigging my course about ever so slightly, so adding an extra 1 or 2 lessons and swapping a couple out as well, so it completely matches this. So this is for complete beginners to learn how to read and understand music notation. So I've composed a lot of the pieces myself that you'll hopefully enjoy, and I've already started playing through the pieces that I have composed in here and the existing pieces of music that I have arranged for this book as well. So I've done all the arranging, and there's probably only about 3 pieces in here that are just existing classical pieces towards the back that I've not done anything to because they're already existing pieces of music from like Beethoven, Haydn. So you'll gradually see me uploading, me just playing through some of the pieces, some short videos. It's just like an extra thing, so you know what they sound like, you know how they're supposed to be played, just an extra supplementary learning to go with the book. Also at the very back of the book I have added some QR codes, so you can scan that with the camera setting on your phone, and it takes you to lots of different recommendation videos that I've already done here on YouTube that will be really good and supplementary to go alongside all the learning material in this book. You could go through it with a teacher, or again with the extra material, supplementary material I'm going to be uploading to YouTube, you could do your self-learning as well. So for my course, my video course, the book is divided into separate lessons. So there's 30 lessons, and there'll be an extra one added in the very near future that I've included in here, which is the rearranged Chopin Nocturne that you can see me playing here, so you know the piece. So I've made it shorter, easier, so it's suitable for this book. So the book works towards that piece of music, that arrangement. So on Amazon it's self-published and it's a print-on-demand service. So I don't just have a load of these like lying around, you know, it saves paper. So when someone makes an order, they will print it in your country and then send it to you. A little bit more of an eco-friendly way to distribute books, so I don't just have a big stock with them, and Amazon deals with all of the orders and the shipping, etc. So this is the first edition of the book. In time I may go back and tweak little things, you know, add things, and there may be, depending on how we do, there may be a book 2. There are so many more topics that I wanted to expand upon here. There is so much more, and in terms of theory as well. So I would love to make a second book, and I may do in time. Again, let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. It's a part 2 to this. So this is called Laying the Foundations for Beginners. I didn't want the first book to be too overwhelming with information. When you get to the back of the book, the pieces are maybe about definitely about grade 3 level. If you bought this book and then my course, I do expound a lot more in the lesson videos of my course as well. So I teach absolutely everything plus extra things in there as well that aren't in the book. So please let me know if you are going to get the book or if you have already got it. Coincidentally, Christmas is coming up, so it could be a good gift for yourself, for someone you know who wants to start the piano. And remember to look out on my channel. There's going to be quite a few like short videos I'm going to be uploading, which is just pieces performed from my book. Again, extra supplementary material. So the thing with my book is that the clue is in the title. It's Bitesize Piano. It introduces things in a bite-sized order with only a few notes at a time, and you get used to where they are positioned on the piano instead of just telling you how to figure out all of the notes all at once. It's really focused on learning how to read music, understand music notation, and again, this is what my course is all about as well. So, learning to look for patterns, what you're looking out for in the sheet music, the theory, so like key signatures, time signatures, a few sight reading tips. So there is a lot in there, and I've really thought carefully about my experience as a teacher about what order to introduce topics in that I feel is logical and helps you understand the next thing and then the next thing. So there is another announcement. I think I'll just better show you. So I'm currently over 6 months pregnant with my first baby. We're very, very excited. He's due end of February, so don't worry, I'm not going to be quitting YouTube or anything. I'm going to be filming an entire course that I can drip sort of weekly whilst I have a little bit of a maternity leave, and I'm going to be putting that in production very soon. So it's going to be a free course. I'm not going to tell you what it's about. It's going to be like a course / challenge, so I'm quite looking forward to getting in, making it, and hopefully you'll benefit from that. So I'll be starting to release that around March of next year. So I think that is it from me. Been a little bit nervous, apprehensive about putting it out there. Thank you wholeheartedly for supporting Bitesize Piano, which is just me. It's not a team, it's just me by myself. So your support means a lot. So I will see you in the next video, and I hope you're well. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.